Flowers are beautiful, fragrant plants that have been used for centuries to decorate homes, gardens, and special occasions. As an important part of the ecosystem, they provide food and shelter for many animals, and they help to pollinate other plants. In addition, they are also a source of medicine. Today, we will uncover the mystery of the first flower to ever grace our planet. The origin of flowering plants, or angiosperms, has long been an enigma for scientists and botanists alike. Understanding the evolution of flowering plants is like solving a complex puzzle. It requires piecing together evidence from various sources to form a coherent picture of their origins and development. Scientists use an interdisciplinary approach, combining data from paleontology, molecular biology, and climatology. By doing so, they can create a more comprehensive understanding of the past. Fossil findings have played a critical role in helping us understand the history of flowering plants. These discoveries have offered remarkable insights into the morphology and habitats of early angiosperms. By analysing sedimentary layers, geologists and paleobotanists can determine the conditions and ecosystems of the past. Studying these fossils has shed a light on environments in which ancient flowers thrived. By carefully dating the sedimentary layers in which the fossils are found and using techniques like radiometric dating, scientists can establish the approximate ages of the plant's remains. By the way, if you would like more info on radiometric dating, you can watch that on my video about Pangea. Link is in the description box below. Molecular biology has revolutionized our understanding of plant evolution. DNA analysis involves comparing the genetic sequences of different plant species. These genetic analyses have revealed that flowering plants have a monophyletic group, meaning they share a common ancestor. This has allowed us to construct a family tree of angiosperms and gain insights into their evolutionary history. Through the study of genetic mutations and the molecular clock, it is estimated that the first flowers likely emerged during the early Cretaceous period, approximately 140 million years ago. It's important to note that DNA analysis not only provides us with a timeline, but also gives us insights into the genetic innovations that accompanied the emergence of flowering plants. This includes the development of unique reproductive structures and strategies for attracting pollinators. One significant discovery involves the NADS box genes. These genes play a crucial role in flower development and have been found in various flowering plant species. Studying the variation and function of these genes has helped us understand the genetic basis of flower diversity. Additionally, researchers have identified genetic signatures that are unique to flowering plants, allowing us to differentiate them from other groups of plants. These distinctive genetic markers have been instrumental in tracing the evolutionary path of angiosperms. Pollinators have been an integral part of the evolutionary journey of flowering plants. As early flowers emerged, they needed effective ways to transfer pollen and ensure successful reproduction. The ancient pollinators were diverse and included beetles, flies, butterflies, moths, and even some primitive bee-like insects. Their interactions with early flowers were essential for both parties' survival. Moreover, the presence of pollinators influenced the evolution of flower structures. Flowers that attracted specific pollinators may have undergone changes to better accommodate their visitors, leading to the remarkable diversity of flower shapes and sizes we see today. Climate and environmental data also play a vital role in this puzzle. The study of paleoclimatology allows us to understand the Earth's past climate conditions and how they influence the evolution and distribution of flowering plants. The early Cretaceous period, around 140 million years ago, was characterised by a warm and humid climate. The Earth was experiencing greenhouse conditions, with higher levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide. This warm and humid climate provided an ideal setting for the diversification and spread of flowering plants. The higher temperatures and increased carbon dioxide levels stimulated plant growth, favouring the expansion of new plant groups like angiosperms. So, in summary, scientists use a multifaceted approach to conclude the identity of Earth's first flower. They rely on fossil findings, carefully examining ancient plant remains from various sites worldwide to understand the morphology and habitats of early angiosperms. Additionally, they employ DNA analysis, comparing genetic sequences of existing flowering plants to construct a family tree of angiosperms and estimate when the first flower appeared. Furthermore, scientists explore the critical role of ancient pollinators, such as beetles, flies, butterflies, and moths, in shaping the success of early flowers through mutualistic relationships. Lastly, researchers study paleoclimate to understand the environmental conditions that favoured the rise of flowering plants, highlighting the warm and humid climate of the early Cretaceous period. Despite the progress made, the puzzle remains incomplete due to the gaps in the fossil record, complexities in flower evolution, and the need for ongoing research and new techniques to further enrich our understanding of Earth's first flowers. So, for the big reveal, what is the world's oldest flower at this moment, according to researchers based on these disciplines? For a long time, Archifructus, or ancient fruit, a herbaceous aquatic plant from the well-known fossil-rich Yizhang Formation in China, is thought to be the oldest known flowering plant. It has been dated to around 125 million years ago. Archifructus may no longer be the oldest flower, as a re-evaluation of a plant fossil discovered more than 100 years ago in Spain suggests. Montetia vidali, a weed-like plant that lived completely submerged in the shallow waters of Europe's lakes, may be older than Archifructus, as its fossils have been dated to 130 to 125 million years ago. And there you have it. Curiosity satisfied. If you have come across a fact that made you go, how do they know that? Leave a comment in the comment section and we'll endeavour to provide you an answer. If you enjoyed or got value from the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to ensure you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Until then, maintain curiosity, stay wholesome, and we'll see you in the next.